Welcome to Strangers Helping Strangers in the USA, Acts of Kindness. Today we explore the extraordinary moments of compassion that happen every day across America. In a fast-paced world, it's easy to overlook the connections we share. But throughout the USA, kindness bridges gaps, often in unexpected ways. The American spirit is rooted in community and mutual support. This inherent generosity shines brightest when people step up for those they don't know. Our video focuses on these impromptu acts of help, from small gestures in daily life to heroic efforts during major crises. These moments define our humanity. Sometimes, the smallest gestures carry the biggest impact. A brief moment of kindness can completely change a stranger's day. One common example is the Pay It Forward movement, where someone covers the cost of a stranger's coffee, toll, or meal, creating a chain reaction of generosity. Whether it's carrying heavy groceries for an elderly neighbor or pulling over to help with a flat tire, these acts of physical assistance bridge immediate needs. In crowded public spaces, strangers often share resources, whether lending an umbrella in a sudden downpour or offering a phone charger to someone low on battery. When tragedy strikes, the U.S. often sees an outpouring of support, with strangers mobilizing quickly to help those impacted by disasters. Following hurricanes, wildfires, or floods, countless volunteers travel across states to assist with search and rescue, cleanup, and recovery efforts for communities they've never seen. Often spontaneously, individuals and groups organize donation drives, temporary shelters, and food distribution points, ensuring immediate needs are met when official resources are overwhelmed. In critical moments, the quick thinking and action of strangers can mean the difference between life and death. Bystanders trained in CPR or first aid frequently step in during medical emergencies, providing crucial care until paramedics arrive, saving lives through their quick response. Whether it's preventing an accident, intervening in a dangerous situation, or simply calling 911, strangers often act selflessly to ensure the immediate safety of others. Beyond emergencies, sustained efforts by strangers help strengthen local communities and provide ongoing support where it is needed most. Many Americans regularly donate food, clothing, and other necessities to local organizations, giving without any expectation of recognition, driven purely by compassion. Volunteering time at soup kitchens, food banks, or community cleanups is another powerful way strangers commit to improving the lives of those around them. These stories of strangers helping strangers inspire us all. The spirit of generosity is alive and well in the USA, and it starts with each of us. Every act of kindness, no matter how small, creates a ripple effect. When we help a stranger, we inspire others to do the same, building a stronger community. We encourage you to practice spontaneous generosity today. You have the power to be that helping hand, that unexpected source of light for a stranger in need. Thank you for watching.